Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be unboxing Jane's Agenda subscription box, and I am so excited. This box is designed to be used in April. If you are not familiar with Jane's Agenda, I will put a link in the description that will lead you right to her shop. There is also a 15% off coupon attached with that you can use, and she has beautiful items. Things come in different sizes. The size that I get is the Classic Happy Planner size. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we got. I am so excited. Now her subscription boxes tend to be very seasonal. And look, oh, look at how cute this is. Cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then on the inside cover here, there's this hello message, which is so cute. This is the standard box that you get every time you get an order from her. And look at how cute this is. I'm gonna scoop this out. She puts things in like a bag now, and I really like that. It's just like this really cute little package. So let's pull this out and look at that beautiful blue bow. So now I have a feeling, just seeing this, let's take a look here, because I don't want to misspeak, but I believe that blue bow is a representation of something for the month of April. And I think it's autism, I think. So please, if I'm not right, I apologize, but I think that's what it is. And oh my gosh, I am gonna gush, totally gonna gush. What is in here, Jane? Oh my gosh. So many pretty things. All right, so I just kind of wanted to show you how things come. I'm gonna scoop everything out of the way and I'm gonna go through everything in detail with you. All right, so in each of the subscription boxes that she sends out a box tour card. So this is everything that is in the box. Going to put this to the side here, and yes, April is Autism Awareness Month, and blue is the color for that. So I just wanted to confirm that. Just to start off with, we've got Here Comes the Sun quote card, and then the Seeds You Plant quote card. So here are the little cards. These are really cute to clip in your planner, on any page. I love that. Look at the yellow. If you love yellow, then this is beautiful. I'm not a big fan of yellow, but I mean, it's very pretty statement. And of course, we've got spring is on the horizon. I know it's like technically already spring, but for those of us that live in the cold weather climates, yeah, it's really not quite there yet. Now we've got this one here is the Seeds You Plant quote card. So this says, don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Beautiful. I love it. I love these little cards. I have like this little pile of them that I keep, and I just pull them out when I want to, and I clip them on my planner, and I just love them. All right, the next thing here is the butterfly clip on a quote card. All right, so let's open this up. Ooh, a butterfly clip. I love butterflies. Oh my gosh, look at, you always get these just like really cute paper clips in her subscription boxes. And I love that. And this one says, give yourself time. Super cute. Now we are onto a pen, a blue Zebra Sarasa clip pen. And that is right here. Okay, I am not a fan of writing in blue ink. I'm sure it's really pretty. It looks like it's a gel, probably. Yeah, probably, because it's got like the little tip here. It's a 0.5 tip. So for you that love the blue ink, we've got some blue ink in this box. And then we've got mini sticky notes. Oh my goodness. All right, so a 2-pack. And let's look at the color. Ooh, this is pretty. I like the little card. And the colors, we've got this yellow, which is not like a super like fluorescent-y yellow. It's very muted. And then this light blue. All right, now we're on to, this is so cute. She always includes things in here that are not planner related per se, but they're just like cute little things that you might want. And look at this, we've got honey bee mix. Cute. Some seeds. All right, and then this is totally useful. Nivea hand cream. I am so excited about this. I can always use hand cream. I think we all can. Everybody washing their hands all the time. It's just crazy how dry my hands are. All right, so totally useful item there. Now we have cardstock dashboard set. It's a 2-piece reversible. So, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I am in love. Holy cow. Okay, so this is gotta be it right here, I'm assuming. Holy cow. All right. I'm gonna cut this open. I am so in love. Look at how gorgeous this is. All right, and then this side, oh my gosh. All right, sorry. All right, so this was in, this was in one packaging. This is stunning. So this, okay, so I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself because come on, like, come on. How gorgeous is this? I'm in love. Okay, so the item that we're actually on is the 2-piece. So there's 2 reversible cardstock dashboard sets. Wow. Now, if you love peacocks, then this is your jam. I mean, they're gorgeous. This is beautiful, but I am in love with this side here. Wow. Love it. Love it. And then this is the non-laminate vellum dashboard, and it has pink foil florals. Look at that pink foil. This is going like right in front in my planner, and I don't even know, like, I love this, but oh my gosh, this. Ooh, no, I gotta go with this. That is gonna look gorgeous. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. All right, now we are on to a white ink vellum page finder. Let's make some room here. Ooh, this one's pretty. She will put, oh, these little page finders in the boxes, and this one I really like because it's very neutral. It's just got this really pretty white ink on there, so it's just super, super neutral. And these are great little page finder. They fit in, you know, your classic size, and they'll also fit in a mini size happy planner. All right, now we're on to, oh my God, this paper. Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm in love with this paper. Holy cow. All right, here is the paper. It's dot grid, and look at how beautiful. We've got some deco up here. We've got some floral here. And then on the back side, we've got some different florals in the corners. And this is a dot grid, and just so pretty. Look at, like, you open it up here. This would be beautiful to set up for a weekly spread. Draw your days of the week in here. Oh, I'm coming up with some ideas. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is gorgeous. Loving it, loving, loving, loving it. All right, and then we have this tour card, doubles as a large quote card. So on the back here, this is really pretty. Again, it's very neutral. Like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. Love it. Oh, so, so beautiful. All right, so this is everything from the Jane's Agenda April subscription box. I love, love, love this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to pop this into my planner. I'm going to do that, and be sure that you are following me on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, because then you will see how it's going to look in my planner. So make sure you head on over there, and I am so happy with everything in here. It's just really, really beautiful. I love all of the items from her shop. She does the layering so beautiful. I mean, there's always these really pretty pretty elements in her shop. So if you love the pretty, you like the layering, you like the vellum, you like the beautiful covers, definitely go and check her shop out. Down below I will have the link for her shop, and there is also a 15% off coupon there that you can use towards individual, towards an order. It's just not available to use towards the actual subscription box itself. Loving this. I love the nod to the April autism awareness with our blue here. I completely understand why we have a blue pen in this box now, so there you go. And then the blue in the little cream, which is also going to be useful. And these are cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just turned it over. Look at how cute that is. It's got her logo on the back. I should have turned it over, but really, really cute. So be sure that you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell. That way your notifications are on and you're getting notified when my videos come out. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.